Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to enable or disable laptop touchpad on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to enable or disable your laptop touchpad, then I will show you how to do this. Guys, first you can see here arrow mark. You have to just click on this. Here you will find one icon of touchpad. When you move your cursor to on that, you will find touchpad. You have to just right click on that, then click on open touchpad. So you can see I am not seeing this icon here. So what I will do, I will just open the control panel. To open the control panel, just click on this search, then type here control panel. Click on the control panel, then this window will be opened. Here you will find mouse. Click on that. In last you will find one touchpad option. You have to just click on that. After clicking this touchpad option, you will find under that enable or disable option. If you want to enable, just click on enable, or if you want to disable, just click on disable, then click on apply, then click OK. That's it guys. So in this way you can enable or disable touchpad on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.